Organizing your proofreading portfolio. Skill or project type. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the realm of organizing your proofreading and editing portfolio. Just like any art portfolio, your proofreading portfolio showcases your skills, your expertise, and your progress. Let's discuss how to organize it effectively, either by skill or by project type, so you can impress potential clients or employers. Being organized is not just about looking neat. In the world of proofreading and editing, organization signifies your attention to detail, professionalism, and the ease with which someone can navigate your work. Think of your portfolio as a map. If someone's trying to find evidence of your proofreading skills, they should know exactly where to look. When organizing by skill. 1. Break down your proofreading and editing skills. For example, 2. Grammar checking. 3. Structural edits. 4. Style consistency. 5. Formatting. 6. Gather samples that highlight each of these skills. It might be a page where you've corrected common grammatical errors, or an article where you've enhanced the flow through structural edits. 7. Label each section clearly. This ensures that when someone is looking through your portfolio, they can immediately identify where to find examples of each skill. If you choose to organize by project type. 1. Categorize your projects. Examples include 2. Academic papers. 3. Blog posts. 4. Business reports. 5. Fictional stories. 6. Showcase diversity. This is especially important if you have edited a wide variety of content. It shows potential clients that you're adaptable. 7. Include a brief description for each project type. This gives context to your proofreading and editing choices. 1. Quality over quantity. Instead of including every piece you've ever edited, choose the ones that showcase your skills the best. 2. Update regularly. As you hone your skills, make sure your portfolio reflects that growth. 3. Seek feedback. Before finalizing your portfolio, get feedback from peers or mentors. Their insights might help you organize or present your work better. Organizing your proofreading and editing portfolio is more than just a task. It's a reflection of your professionalism and dedication. Whether you choose to organize by skill or project type, remember that clarity, quality, and consistency are key. We hope this video helps you in setting up an impressive portfolio. Happy proofreading!